That's a present for you. What do you think's in there?
Okay.
Sure, what do you think's in this box?
You open
Let's
it.
put it down here.
Down.
Charlie, what could be in this box?
What the be in this
Do you think it's a car?
box?
Yeah, maybe a car?
This is from Grandpa Shumway, Charlie.
Yeah.
Do you want to open it? Yeah?
Okay, Charlie, come open the box.
Go.
Hazel, make sure Charlie gets to open it, okay?
Open it up, Charlie.
Go.
Open that up. What is it?
Go. Go. Go.
Open it, Charlie.
Do you think it's a car?
Here, put your train down. Here, I'll take your train. You open that. What's in here, Charlie?
Bang.
What's in here? Open that up.
What's in the box?
Bulldozer. Help. Help. Help.
Help, help.
Help, help.
Help.
Charlie, it's a bulldozer.
Help. Help. Hey, daughter, take it out.
Should we take it out, Charlie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's take it out.
That's another
Charlie, what is it?
bulldozer.
What is it, Charlie?
Daddy, that's another bulldozer.
Yeah.
Bing.
Is it pink?
Nope.
Nope.
Bulldozer. I need
Yeah.
Bulldozer.
to. Bulldozer.
It's a bulldozer, Charlie. Here comes your bulldozer. Okay. You make it go vroom, Charlie?
It's another bulldozer.
It is.
Oh. Ollie.
Look at
Charlie, is it a bulldozer? From Grandpa Shumway. Can you say thank you?
Bulldozer.
Say thank you. Is that the box?
Yeah.
No.
Charlie,
Bulldozer.
what are you going to name your bulldozer?
Bulldozer.
Oh, good name.
Oh,
That's a good name.
Charlie, can you say thank you to Grandpa Shumway?
baby.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Daddy. Ow.